this.
Right? Okay.
So we're gonna resharpen this knife. It's already pretty sharp, but just needs the edge touched up. So what I'm gonna do is, I've got this jerry-rigged way to hold the knife flat, horizontal. I've got some 2000 grit cloth here, some 2000 grit wet dry paper. I would start with, 600 grit if it was really bad, but this is pretty good. So from 600 to 1000, 1000 to 2000. I'm just gonna go along here. I'm resting this flat on the blade. I'm gonna make sure that my scratches that I can see under this light are going all the way from the back here all the way to the front. I am sharpening the whole blade. I'm taking steel off the whole blade and keeping that angle constant. And once I've got a nice scratch pattern all the way down this side, I will flip the blade over and do the same on that side. Some folks like to take the knife and keep the sandpaper flat. I like to take the sandpaper and keep the knife steady.
You can certainly see it getting shiny, mirror shiny.
And then once that's done, I will just run it through with the buffer. Let's give it one quick more pass over here. And then if you come over here, this is the buffer.
That is sharp.